Respect is not something you ask for, it's something you create by setting the right boundaries. The truth is, women respect men who know where they stand. If you want to build attraction that lasts, you need to master these 5 boundaries. The first boundary is your time. A man who allows his time to be wasted communicates that his life has no direction. If she cancels plans, shows up late, or keeps you waiting, don't just laugh it off. Value your schedule, and she'll start valuing it too. Respect for time always translates into respect for the man. The second boundary is emotional control. Women test men not because they're cruel, but because they want to feel security. If every little thing she says gets an overreaction, you've already lost control. When you remain calm under pressure, when you refuse to let drama dictate your mood, you show that your emotions belong to you, not to her. The third boundary is personal space. Too many men give up their hobbies, passions, and friendships just to please a woman. But when you lose yourself, she loses interest. Make it clear that your identity doesn't revolve around her. A man who protects his individuality will always be more attractive than a man who bends at every request. The fourth boundary is respect for your values. Every man has principles, whether it's about honesty, loyalty, or how you want to live your life. If she crosses those lines and you stay silent, she won't take you seriously. Stand by what you believe in, even if it means disagreeing. Women respect men who stand tall for their truth. The fifth and most important boundary is how you allow yourself to be treated. If you accept disrespect, constant criticism, or manipulation, then you're teaching her it's okay. The moment you walk away from what doesn't honor you, you set the standard for how women will see you forever. Boundaries don't push women away, they pull the right ones closer. When you live with self-respect, women have no choice but to respect you, too.